The original GoPro Max made a splash when it launched, but for years, fans have been hoping for an upgrade. The action camera community has been full of rumors and speculation about what the Max 2 would bring. Challenges like competition, rising expectations, and technical hurdles delayed its launch. However, with leaked photos and GoPro hinting at its arrival, we now know the Max 2 is not just a rumor, but a real game changer on the horizon. One of the first things you'll notice about the Max 2 is its bold new look. Unlike the usual square or rectangular design of previous GoPros, the Max 2 might have a unique circular lens configuration. It's a fresh and modern design that's sure to stand out. But it's not just about looks. The Max 2 has a ribbed body structure that serves a very important purpose. It helps keep the camera cool. Overheating was a big problem with the original Max, especially during long video recordings. This new design tackles that issue head-on, allowing for longer and more reliable performance. The Max 2 also seems to be more customizable. Its modular design might let you add or change parts to make the camera more versatile. Whether you're shooting in extreme weather or trying out new angles, this feature could make the Max 2 much more user-friendly than before. The GoPro Max 2 is expected to come with major upgrades inside. While GoPro hasn't revealed the exact details yet, industry experts believe it will compete directly with Insta360's latest models, such as the X4. For instance, the Max 2 might be able to shoot 8K videos at 30 frames per second, or even push to 8K at 60 frames per second for short clips. That's a huge step up from the original Max. It's also rumored to include Sony IMX677 sensors, which are much better in low-light situations. The original Max struggled when lighting wasn't ideal, so this upgrade would be a welcome improvement. The camera might also have back-to-back lenses that fix issues with stitching 360-degree videos. This means fewer awkward transitions in your footage, especially when objects are close to the camera. GoPro is also focusing on battery life and thermal management. The ribbed cooling design shows that overheating problems are being taken seriously. While the exact battery size isn't confirmed, we can expect it to last longer and work more reliably in tough conditions. Beyond its technical improvements, the Max 2 is rumored to include some fun and useful features. For starters, it might have a small screen beneath the lens. This could make navigating settings or previewing your shots easier without needing an app. GoPro is also known for its powerful software. Their subscription-based app already offers excellent editing tools and cloud storage, so we can expect more advanced features for the Max 2. Whether it's automatic stitching, improved stabilization, or smart editing options, the software will likely add a lot of value to the camera. Additionally, GoPro has hinted that they've invested heavily in research and development. This could mean the Max 2 will include innovations we haven't seen before. The 360-degree camera market is a big focus for GoPro, and they're looking to show off their technical expertise with this new release. The Max 2 is expected to cost around $499, the same price as its predecessor. This is good news for fans since it keeps the camera within reach for many users. For the price, you'll be getting a premium device packed with features that are ideal for action sports, vlogging, or just creating cool videos. The GoPro Max 2 sounds like an exciting new camera, but it has some big competition to beat. Insta360 has been leading the way in 360-degree cameras and has released several models since 2019. GoPro's CEO, Nicholas Woodman, promises that the Max 2 will be worth the wait. They've spent a lot of time making sure it's better by fixing old problems, like overheating, and adding cool new features to make it stand out. While it seems like a great option, we'll need to see all the details and test it to know if it's as amazing as it sounds. For now, the Max 2 looks like it could be a strong competitor and a big deal for 360-degree camera fans. The GoPro Max 2 is an exciting new camera coming in 2025. It has a cool new design, better performance, and awesome features that make it perfect for capturing action, sports, or fun videos. Whether you love making videos or just enjoy using cool gadgets, this camera is worth watching. Stay tuned for more news as it gets closer to launch. It might become the best 360-degree action camera out there. That was all about the GoPro Max 2. Thanks for watching.